Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm in this beautiful spot here by the Hong Kong Art Museum. You see the sunset in the distance going down and the view of the harbor in the distance. And I have a special phone I want to show you guys right now. It's the second one of this kind, none other than the Redmi Note 8 Global Edition. And none other than also the Redmi Note 8 in this gorgeous Moonlight white. Look at this color, guys. I'm going to try to put it here in this very sunset sun here, so it's very dim lighting, but I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And this is the 4GB 64 gigs of storage version. And as you can see here, it is the global version. Google Apps are fully installed on this phone. So what's the deal with this phone? I mean, I've reviewed the Redmi Note 8 before, haven't I? Well, it's the global version, so there's some nice things about it. You know, you see here we have the cleaner, the deep clean, all those kind of things. We have obviously Google Apps pre-installed. This should be able to run with L1 with DRM info. I'll have to double check that. But the main thing about this phone is the design. The design of this version, it is just stunning, guys. What can I say? I have the blue version and I thought it was nice. And then I checked it out that this was available at one of the retailers here. And I was just stunned. I was like, this is the version of the phone that you would want. Looking around the phone here, we see it's a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB-C, and we have the SIM tray. There is an IR blaster on this phone. And look at this, I've even pre-installed, look at this, we have a pre-installed screen protector, Redmi at the bottom. This is a beautiful phone. And once again, just showing you guys again the version that I got. Redmi Note 8, there it is. Moonlight white, 4GB of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. So what a beautiful spot, guys, to show you this phone. Oh, but it wasn't just that, guys. This is a beautiful spot as well to let you know there's a reason why this phone is with me. That's right, guys. It's time. It's that time, and let's let that plane pass overhead. And let me now tell you guys, it is time for another Road to 100,000 giveaway. Oh yeah, that's right. It's a giveaway of this Redmi Note 8, and I'm very excited to share the details with you guys soon. That will be coming in a next video, but I'm so excited that this is the global version of the phone. I tend not to want to give away the China ROM versions of phones to you guys. I know how much China ROMs can suffer in terms of just compatibility and certain other things, and the fact that this is the global ROM version means that I feel comfortable now sending this to any country in the world where you guys can just input your Gmail and basically get it all set up. So I will be sharing the full details of this giveaway with you guys soon. But in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to Frankie Tech, definitely go ahead and subscribe and follow me on the social medias. Like I said, I use Twitter a lot, and so follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram as well. Let's look at this back again. This is completely new, guys. I have literally not even taken the stickers off the back of this unit, and I don't plan to. I plan to keep it as is for you guys. I will do a color comparison maybe between the other Redmi Note 8 if there's interest in that, but beyond that, this has a pre-applied screen protector. The guy put it on, and I figured, hey, what the heck, might as well just put it on so that you guys don't have to worry about trying to get one on your own. There you go. This is a gorgeous phone, guys. I think honestly, between the two Redmi Note series phones that have come out, this is my favorite of the two by far. And now in this stunning Moonlight white, the whole story just got even better. So that's it for this quick video, guys. Thanks for watching it. A little windy here, so apologies for that. And if you like this video, no, Google's not set up yet. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Definitely now subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. So beautiful evening here, coming to evening in Hong Kong. There's the Space Museum. This is the gorgeous new K11 Mall. It's looking awesome. And look at that view in the distance. Hopefully it's not too windy a video, but just wanted to share this awesome Moonlight white color with you guys. And now stay tuned for the details of the giveaway coming up very soon. Gorgeous phone, just gorgeous. Anyways, that's it for this video, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Look at that sun. Oh, it's already sundown. Good night, Mr. Sun.